Hi and welcome to Coin Tutorial. It may seem simple, but the coin system is one of those things that conveys the feeling of getting reward in a game. In my game, I created a coin collision system that worked like a classic game, but with something special. If you like to collect your coins, save and add sound and effects to your game, this video is made for you. So let's see how it works. Okay, at the first I create an empty object and set names coin, and then I create square sprite and set names coin sprite, and then I reset the position and I put my coin image to my sprite and set a scale to 0.2 or 15 is better. Okay, now I create a C# script and set names as a coin and put them to my coin sprite and open it. At the first, I write a public int score equal to 1, for example, and I just say write public void onTrigger enter2d and write if collision.gameObject.tag equal to player do what I want. Now what I want is adding coin to my coin manager, and you need to your player tag is a player. So I save that and back and I create C# script and I set names is a coin manager, and I create an empty object and set names coin manager 2 and put coin manager script to them and open the script. I write a public int player score equal to 0 and write public void add a score into value and player's score plus equal to value. Can write a public static coin manager set names instance, and in the start I write if instance not equal to null and instance not equal to this, so destroy instance, and after that instance equal to this. That's name is a singleton pattern, and I go to the coin and say coin manager then instance dot add score and I save both of them, and of course I write a destroy game object and save that and back to the scene, and then I add a circle collider in my coin component and I through is trigger it, and then I change all my player component tag to player. Okay, now I think if I change my coin score to 5 is better, and then I prefab my coin and test it. Okay, as you say, the coin manager player score value is set to 50. Okay, now I want to create animation for my coin. I go to my animation folders and don't forget that select coin sprite and then create an animation. I set first animation names is a coin idle. I just want to my coin come down a little and back. I set sampling to 30. Very nice. And another animation is a coin die. I disable circle collider and change scale and set alpha to 0 for dying. Very good. And the near last animation I set the animation event and I back to my coin script and say public void destroy coin and change destroy to this function and save back to animation. Then I set even animation to my destroy coin function, and at this point the coin will be destroyed. I write the public animator anim and write the anim.set trigger the coin and save that. Okay, now I put my animation, my coin animator to script, and I go to the animator and make transition from idle to die and create a trigger that name is coin, and I just say when coin happen, go to the coin die, and when I test again, as you see, the coins will be die when player touch them. Very good. Now I want to show my player score in my scene. So I write a public text from Unity engine.ui, set names score text, and I write score text equal to player score dot toString. I save that and back to the scene. I create a canvas and set name is a game canvas, and I change UI scale mode to screen size from 1920 to 1080. Okay, now I create a image and set name is a coin icon. I put my coin image to source image and I set it to top left and smaller, and I create UI text. Asset name is a score. I think it's set to right very good. I change text to 0 and middle, and color is the white. Very good. I bold them and I back to the scene. I think it is left and very good. Left is good. Okay, I go to the coin manager and put my score text to a score text in coin manager, and when I get a coin, as you see, my coin value is set. Okay, now I wanna set sound for my coin die. So I go to the coin prefab, and in the coin sprite I want to add component and IDEO source. I go to the script, write public IDEO source, name is IDEO, and public IDEO clip, name is coin sound. Very good. I just write after underscore IDEO dot play one shot a coin sound. I save that and back to the scene and put my IDEO source to coin and my sound to IDEO clip. Good. And if you want to say my coin sound, it is. Okay, now I back to the scene. The next part, I'm going to design the main character of the game and put him in the place of the current character. There are going to be some weird things happening there. If you want to see full process of making the game, subscribe, cause there are going to some weird things happening here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.